We upgraded the click and cut series, meaning that all the archway sets and fountain sets will get some kind of new system, which we think is more durable and works better. So, and that's part of the fun as well. Over time, things develop. And this is one of the developments I really would like to show you and test it out. So we have an archway here. We have two sets, and we have a block, and this block is 1 inch thick. So if I want to cut this arch, I click it on both sides. I have a block which is already 1 inch thick, and actually I'm good to go. And I will try to cut this arch and then the interior as well. So as you can see, it is a system where we can put our templates on very quickly, very easily. And although I'm also still learning, but yeah, let's cut. You can pin your block in a way that it doesn't move, but I like to actually press my block to the base, and from there there we go. Okay, so that's one. The wire is in the shape, you could say, and off we go. So the wire is now within the arch. Again, you can pin it, but again, I prefer keep it in place with my fingers, because I like to work fast and with the proper exercise experience, this shouldn't be that much of a deal. So this is already it. Get them out. And there we have our first arch. So the thing within, that's the perfect shape for what comes next. 1, 2. Make sure they are perfectly opposite of each other, otherwise we have a problem. There we are. So 1, 2. This is just checking. As you can see, it fits perfectly, and I already cut that side, so this is okay. This wasn't necessary. Remove it again, because the wire has to get into the shape. Now it is. There it goes. Check if it's opposite. It is. Okay, there we go. Block in always starts at the bottom, at one of the corners preferably, and there you go. Final one. Okay, so I first cut out the 3 arches, and now I put them back in, because we still have this top ornament that we need to cut out. So need to be sure that the wires at the opening get in. the shape. And there it is. So, should be finished, should be ready. Let's see. So let's first get the templates off. That's one. We can get that one out as well. Okay, so, whoops, that's the wrong one, that's the wrong side. Yeah. Works very fast, very nice. Looks easy. Well, let's say it's not that difficult, but yeah, you do have to take a little bit of time. You need to try it several times, but in the end, if I can do it, you can do it. So that's the update of the Click and Cut series, and yeah, I hope a lot more shapes will be released in the future. But this is the way to go. So thanks for watching. On to the next video. Zoiets? Ja. Ja? Oké. Super de buur.